morning, students. I hope everyone is safe at home. So, in the previous class, we discussed about the biodiversity and how can you represent the biodiversity of a particular place in the form of a block diagram. This one we discussed in the previous class. So, today we are going to discuss about what are the variations. So, how these variations will occur in the living organisms we will discuss. So, for this, what you will do whenever you will go to outside. Now, anyhow, we are getting the Pongal holidays now. So, when you go to your village, so what you will do there, just to observe the nature. So, how it is different from your home or wherever you are living. So, whatever questions will emerge in your mind, note down those questions and just to see what type of plants and animals you are observing in that particular place. So, how they are different from in your where you are residing now. Okay. So, we will discuss some activities. So, these four activities you do, and I will take the feedback in the June class. The first one, take any two plants. Take any two plants. What type of plants you take? Same type of plants. Any two rose plants are to hibiscus. Otherwise, if you don't have those plants, then just you take grass. Grass plant just to uproot and just you observe these two plants and what you will do. Activity 1. In the activity 1, what you will do? Just you write any 5 differences. Write 5 differences. And 5 similarities. Write any 5 differences or any 5 similarities. Both you have to write down. Okay, like that you take any two animals. Whether you take two dogs or two cats, just you take one yours, means your pet and compare it with your street dog. Or any two hens you take, just you write down 5 differences and 5 similarities. Like that you take two human beings, your brother or yourself or either you take your friends. Any two members can write their height and also whatever the changes, the color, complexion, the texture, the hair growth, this everyone, any 5 differences and 5 similarities you write down. Like that you take the one cricketer or one hero, okay, and write down the 5 similarities and 5 differences. So after completing this, just you compare and try to answer these questions. So what are the questions? The questions are there any two organisms with 100% similarities between them? So you did know we have taken 4 types of activities. One is plants, one is animals, one is human beings, one is you take the famous personalities, either cricketers or heroines you have taken. So after doing this, just you observe. Do you get all the similarities though you have taken the same brothers or same plants? So you have taken. So is there the 100% similarities did you observe? No, it is not at all possible. So you will have one or two differences will be there even though they are similar. Okay? Even you see the identical twins, if you see both are the same, but their IDs and also this thumb, the fingerprints will be different. Okay? So here the second question is why do they differ from each other? So why these are differ from each other? Though both are, for example, both are grass plants, why you get the differentiation? So the differentiation occurs when during the cell division. What will happen if all plants are creatures? This is a difficult question for you. So just you try to give the answer for this. I am not giving you any answers. You write yourself. In the June class, I will answer your doubts. Hen and goat both have legs. What diversity do you find between them? So goat has how many legs? 4 legs. And has 2 legs. Just identify, just observe this, the goat legs as well as the hen legs and make the differences. Both are for the locomotive organs, they are for the walking purpose, for moving purpose. So what will be the difference? How they differ each other? That one we mentioned. So If you see, few birds, what they will, with the help of three leaves, they will make the nest. They will make the nest. And few birds, they will make the nest with the dry grass. Like this, they will make the nest. And you see, crow, it will construct its nest with the help of the dry twigs. And also it will use the iron white stuff to prepare its construct the nest. Like that, the nests are different. It depends upon the nature of the bird. Okay. So, do animals all around the world have similar organs and functions? So, what is the diversity behind it? Do all the animals all around the world have similar organs? No, they don't have the similar organs. Organs are same, but differences will be there in them. For example, you take heart. So, human heart, our heart divided into four chambers. Our heart consists of four chambers. You take fish. Fish heart has two chambers, and frog's heart has three chambers. Like the heart is same, but the chambers are different. So like that, you see all the animals that you can observe the differences. They may look alike, but the keen observation you can find out so many differences. So these differences are called as variations. They are called as variations. These differences are called as variations. So you see here, based on the survey and above clippings, we can summarize that many kinds of plants and animal varieties exist in the world. So many different varieties. So you cannot count those varieties of plants and animals. They are living on the Mother Earth. So sometimes you may not know their names also. Sometimes when you go outside, you see so many plants, but you are unable to know what is their name. You don't know. Only few collective varieties names only you know. Okay, so there are so many different kinds of plants and animals you can observe here. Just you observe here, this is the Hyderabad, our climate is different. You go to Darjeeling or Kashmir, there you get the small leaves. The leaves are very small and the lifespan is very less. Why? Because most of the time the winter will be there. The snow falling will be there. So during the summer season it will only 2-3 months. So the plants in that particular area, in these 2-3 months only they will germinate, they will grow, they will flower and they will die. So like that, so many variations you can observe. Though they are the means we are the living in a on the same earth, same planet. So there you can find differences or variations between them. This leads to biodiversity. So it is called as biodiversity or called as biological diversity. It is called as biological. Bio means living organisms. So the differences in the living organisms of a particular place is called as biodiversity. So there is no monotony or uniqueness in structure and functions of nature even at micro level. So when you see the microorganisms, so there will be no monotony. You cannot say that both are 100% same. You can observe at least 2-3 differences between those or among those organisms. So when you come to micro level, you see around us, means nothing is visible to us, but the atmosphere or the water or in the soil, so many microorganisms are there. Already we discussed in the third lesson. Okay. So there are how many types of microorganisms are there? 5 types. What are they? Viruses, bacteria, algae, fungi, and protozoa. They are considered as the microorganisms. They won't be visible to our eye, but they are present around us. So nowadays we are facing the corona. Corona is nothing but a virus. Okay, ma. So though these viruses that belong to the same category, you may get differences in them. So many species in that also so many different types of varieties will be there. Nowadays you see already we find out the vaccine for corona. Again, new corona, they are saying strain corona. They are saying with the means this virus it changes its structure. So that's why we can't say that always they will be follow the same structure. So evolved from the old organisms. For example, you take eggs, you emerged from the eggs. Okay, so first they have the total the entire body, it has the head and they use it to four legs to walk. Means the first two limbs, our hands. So they use the hands also for the walking purpose. Slowly and also this notochord will be not erect. But as the generations pass on, now we are the evolved man evolved from the eggs with the so many modifications. Now we don't have that much hair, so we can keep our notochord, where vertebral column erect, and also the four limbs we are using as the hands. Okay, so in this is called as the evolution of species. So first one the simple, so the simple to complex one they were emerging from this in this on this mother earth. So in the next class we will discuss about one case study. So what is the biodiversity of a particular place? So previous in the earlier olden days, so what will be the what was the biodiversity and how it is increased or reduced? Now we will discuss. Example they have given the case study of Ramagundam. So this one we will discuss in the next class. So what is your homework? This one anyhow from Tuesday or Wednesday onwards you are getting the holidays. So you are getting nearly 4 5 days holidays. So these 5 holidays only 4 activities. Okay, try to do and the June class I will take feedback. Thank you. Happy Bogi Sankranti to all of you. Thank you. Have a nice day.